Hello, my dear friends. Let us discuss the last two questions. This is the second last question of compounds we prepared in previous lecture. That is the xenon fluoride and xenon oxygen compounds. We have to discuss the properties, and properties are very easy. And this question also very most important for examination preparation. Structures generally asked. So let us discuss the properties of xenon fluoride compounds. See, xenon fluoride compounds are three, already you know very well: xenon difluoride, xenon tetrafluoride, xenon hexafluoride. In previous lecture we prepared this. So these all compounds are colorless, crystalline and solid, but they are volatile. So sublime readily at room temperature, 298 Kelvin temperature. No other properties, no more reactions are there here. But let us discuss the Lewis structure of XeF2, XeF4 and XeF6. XeF2 is linear in shape in Lewis structure. XeF4 is a square planar and XeF6 is distorted octahedral. In objective you are asked the question, how many lone pair and bond pair present and what is the structure. This is not new for you, my friends. Already you have drawn the Lewis structure based on VSEPR theory. Valence shell electron pair repulsion theory here we have to use. So based on whisper theory, three structures are here on screen. Xenon difluoride is linear in shape, three lone pair, 1, 2 and 3. 3 lone pair are there, 2 bond pair are there, bond pair 1, bond pair 1 and bond pair 2. Okay. And these 3 lone pair and 2 bond pair arranged trigonal bipyramidal. So the resultant shape is a linear shape. Similar way observe XeF4. In XeF4, 4 bond pair are there, 2 lone pair are there, and 3 bond pair and 2 lone pair arranged octahedral. The resultant shape, one lone pair upper side, another lone pair downside, not at 90 degree, remember this is slight bent. Okay, and these 4 fluorine give the resultant shape is a square planar, very easy shape. Then after XeF6, remember this thing, students not writing this distorted, this is not a perfect octahedral. Due to this lone pair, this fluorine slight bent, so it is not perfect octahedral, it is a distorted octahedral. Here 6 bond pair are there and 1 lone pair is there. Okay, draw the shape according to VSEPR theory or prepare this. XeF2 is linear and this is a square planar and XeF6 is a distorted octahedral. This is all about physical properties. Now let us discuss about the chemical properties. Chemical properties of xenon fluoride. Xenon fluoride readily hydrolyze. Only one reaction is there of hydrolysis by traces of water. If moisture is there, then also hydrolyze. And XeF2 by hydrolysis gives XeHF and oxygen. Very simple reaction is there. See downside. XeF2 prepare like this. XeF2 when hydrolyzed with water, it gives us Xe plus hydrogen and fluorine combined together gives HF and oxygen gives O2. As oxygen is a diatomic gas, so write down here 2H2O. So here 4 hydrogen, so write down here 4HF. And here 4 fluorine, so here 2 XeF2 required. So very simple for balancing also. Then after, this property is most important property. Xenon fluoride react with a fluoride ion acceptor. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि XeF2 donate 1 fluorine and converted into XeF positive ion and 1 fluorine ion is donated. Okay, so see here it converted into XeF plus, and this fluorine ion is accepted by fluoride ion acceptor. In chemistry, fluoride ion acceptor is the PF5. This PF5 accept 1 fluoride minus ion and it converted into PF6 minus. And combined together is a complex compound. This one is the positive ion, this one is negative ion. Is the important reaction, prepare it very well. Another thing, here it is written, when fluoride minus is accepted by fluoride ion acceptors and the xenon form cation species, this one, positive ion. Similar way, another reaction is given, XeF4 donate 1 fluoride minus ion and converted into XeF3 plus fluorine minus. So it is converted into positive ion, see here. And another one fluoride ion acceptor is a SbF5. SbF5 accept 1 fluorine minus is converted into SbF6 minus. See here both combined together, positive and negative, complex compound. Reverse reaction, xenon hexafluoride is also work as a fluoride ion acceptor. So when it react with a fluoride ion donor and it form a fluoroanion, negative ion. अगले दो रिएक्शन में वो पॉजिटिव XeF2 पॉजिटिव फॉर्म करता है, XeF4 पॉजिटिव फॉर्म करता है. ये XeF6 जो है वो फ्लोराइड एक्सेप्ट करता है, तो उसमें हम लेंगे मेटल फ्लोराइड. Metal fluoride, generally metal is of group number 1 and it converted into M plus and F minus. So this F minus is accepted by XeF6. XeF6 accept this fluoride minus ion release from metal fluorides, this metal fluoride, and it converted into XeF7 minus. So here is the metal plus and XeF7 minus. So this one and this one, all three are the complex compound. Okay, it's a very easy property. Let us discuss the second one and last property, and that is the xenon oxygen compounds property. Xenon oxygen compounds XeO3, in previous lecture we prepared. It is a colorless explosive solid and it has a pyramidal shape. Once again, by using VSEPR principle, you can draw the structure. So the resultant geometry is a pyramidal. The arrangement of lone pair and this 3 bond pair is a tetrahedral. And if you hide this thing, then this one is the pyramidal geometry. This one is the pyramidal geometry, my friends. So this shape is very easy. This is the first xenon oxide, or it is called xenon trioxide. Okay. Now last is the XeOF4. Is also colorless volatile compound and its shape is a square pyramidal. Shapes are important. Lone pair, bond pair, total also important. Asked in exam. I repeat again, my friends, this is the very most important question. Chemical properties of xenon oxide, xenol fluoride compounds. Okay. So let us discuss the last one, and that one is XeOF4. Shape is there. See. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 bond pairs are there. How many? 6 bond pairs are there. 6. 2 here. 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. One lone pair is there. So final is square pyramidal. See, this one is the shape square pyramidal. Square pyramidal. Square pyramidal. Hide this lone pair. Square pyramidal shape is there. Similar way here, see the shape is only pyramidal. See, it's like this, only pyramidal. This one is only pyramidal. But arrangement of lone pair and bond pair in both cases, here is the arrangement is a tetrahedral, and in this case the arrangement is octahedral. But resultant shape here is the square pyramidal. And this is all about the chemical properties of xenon compounds. Prepare it well by writing in your fair note and in rough note. Okay. Thank you, friends. Thank you very much. And in P block element, only last question is remaining, and that is the uses of noble gases.